AI is everywhere today. But what if I told you the most intelligent model we have is right here? That's right, our brain. It's been evolving for thousands of years, yet most of us rarely think about how to use our brain effectively. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to boot up the brain and release its full potential using a simple task: memorizing words. This is where we begin to learn faster and smarter. Let's say you've got a batch of words to memorize. The usual advice is to make a list and stick to a schedule. Maybe even use the forgetting curve to build long-term memory. But honestly, it's a pretty complicated plan. And let's face it, the results are often disappointing. Why? Because if you're encountering new words every day, which, let's be real, is basically always the case, it's a hassle to create a memorization plan that actually works. So, is there a better way to do this? Can we really memorize faster? The answer is a big absolute yes! I've tried this method countless times, and it works. Every single time. It's not just for me, it worked for many others. And now, I'm going to unveil the secrets. The key to memorizing 10 times faster is to build a system. This is so important. I'm going to say it over and over in this video. Build a system. Think of your brain like a computer. In fact, computers were designed to mimic the brain's mechanisms. And yet, even with all their computing power, they still can't match. Your brain loves systems. A system organizes random information into logical structures, making it easier to recall. By applying logic, we can give each item a place and define how one relates to another. It's how we move from chaos to clarity, and it only takes 4 simple steps to create that system. Step 1. Spot the patterns. For instance, take this list of words. You'll notice that many start with "ray" and often convey a negative or disapproving attitude. This is a clear pattern. Understand the logic. The prefix "ray" can have several meanings. One of them is to withdraw, negate, or reverse. So you might define this group of words as those starting with "ray" and expressing a negative or rejecting attitude. That is the logic behind this category. Classify and organize. Now that we have a category, we can group the words accordingly. It's like organizing files into folders. Instead of memorizing each word individually, we memorize them as an interactive whole. Step 4. Keep it dynamic. A system thrives on being dynamic. It's ever-evolving, just like your brain. We encounter a new word that fits, add it to the system. If you already have a branch for words with negative attitudes, you can naturally expand your system by adding a branch for words that express a supportive attitude. Now you have 2 categories, one for negative words and one for positive ones. These categories are clearly defined and, most importantly, logically connected. Just like that, you've built a flexible system that adapts as you go. Want to add more branches? No problem. Say word that describes similarities or differences. Add them to the system. The more you build, the more sophisticated your system becomes, which opens the door for one of the most powerful moments your brain can experience: the flash of inspiration. When new information comes in, your brain can classify it into an existing category, create a new one, or make connections between the ones you already have. And this is when the aha moment happens. It's pretty amazing, right? The brain's ability to organize and connect information is one of nature's greatest gifts. So, boot up your brain and let it flash. I would love to hear about your aha moment. Drop your comment below and share your stories. Thank you so much for watching. It's not just about memorizing, it's about using your brain to its full potential. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more to come. I'm Nico, and I will see you next time.